to my channel. So today I'll be reviewing the Bowflex C7, and this will help you decide whether it's a good buy or not. When I purchased this bike over a year ago, I feel like it's time for me to give you guys a good review on this bike. I hardly found any reviews to tell me if it is what my buy or not, because when I went to the website, they were sold out of the Bowflex C6, so I decided to take a chance on the Bowflex C7. So I'm hoping that this review will give you good judgment in order to decide whether this is a good bike for you or not. So we're just going to jump right into the pros and cons of this bike, and I'm hoping that this will help you make a choice. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So for the pros of the bike, it has really sturdy seat. You don't feel like it's a little bit cushioned, not too cushioned, but very comfortable enough for you to ride through 30 minutes without feeling any budge or anything like that. It's very comfortable. It has good grip. You know, it has this heathered grip here, and the grip is really firm. You can either hold the bike here, here, or here, depending on your level. You can also adjust the seats here. You can bring it up or down according to your height or how comfortable you think you want it to be. The pedals are really nice. Overall, it has a very nice look to it. It doesn't have this plasticky, cheap feel. It does have a very good feel to it that feels strong and sturdy. Also, you have the wristband that helps you track your heart rate, so which is really good. I do pair with my phone, and my watch does track my heart rate, but it's nice to know that they are in sync, so it's a very good one. So I will say it's pretty much accurate. And also they have the January experience, which you can join and sign up for. You have a membership, but I really don't use that. I'm good with my music. I like to play music when I'm riding the bike, so that's good for me. So I pretty much just use the manual program here, and I can set it to whatever time that I want to ride for. Here you have the resistance dial here to top it a notch, and then you know, you can feel like you're riding on a mountain. The resistance is pretty accurate, and I think you can take it up to 40, I think, but it's really good. No, not 40 actually. You can take it up to 100. So that's really good. I would say it's really accurate. You feel the burn on your tires for sure, and you plug it in. This is the plug-in for you to be able to use the touch screen. So you have different free programs here, but there are some you have to pay for in order for you to unlock. So you can also use it with so many other apps as well. So overall, I would say it's a good bike. It has weights here, so if you're trying to raise up your heart rate as well, you can also grab some weights and do some upper body while you also work on your lower body. But overall, I'll say it's a nice experience. I have used this bike every single day. I do my cardio, 30 minutes on the bike fasted every single day, and I will say it's a fun experience while just playing my music. And I will say for noise, I know lots of people, when I wanted to buy the bike, noise for me was a big one because I needed something that was silent. I usually ride before my kids are up in the morning, so I didn't want anything that would make noise. So I've ridden this bike for a year now, and for noise wise, it's pretty silent. I would say it's not noisy enough to wake up a child. You just hear the wheel movement, pretty much nothing crazy, but you know, just you know that you're riding something, but it's not loud enough to wake up a child. So I'll say I'll give it an 8 over 10 for noise, or maybe 8.5, so that's good. For the cons, I wouldn't have so much to say about the cons other than when you raise up the seat really high, then you get to hear like a squeaky sound when you're pedaling. But other than that, I wouldn't say, I don't have so much bad things to say about this bike. I will say it's a good one to buy. I'll still buy it again even if this one goes bad. So they have a pretty good warranty. They have a 1-year warranty. If anything goes wrong with the bike, you call them and they'll fix it. Or if you have any questions or something is not adding up on your bike, you call them. They're very speedy to answer your questions and resolve your issues for you. So if you have any problems as well with the bike, they are willing to send out the technician to your place, so long as it's within the 1-year time frame. They'll send somebody out to your place and they'll order the parts to your house and get that person to fix it for you. So I hope this is a quick review. If you do have any questions concerning the bike, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be happy, I'm more than happy to answer your questions so that you can make a choice whether it's a good buy for you or not. I hope I did answer all your questions regarding the Bowflex C7, but if I didn't, please feel free So drop the questions down below in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. I'll end this video for now. Take care and thank you for watching. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.